Oh. Hey, just need some marshmallows, man.
Okay. That's it.
I'll put that somewhere where somebody's not going to accidentally touch it. It smells like barbecue. See if I can do this without cutting myself. Do you want to test the hardness on this one before I open this one up?
Yeah, about the same. That's it. $56.5.
That's right where it should be, right?
Huh?
That's right where we're expecting it, right?
57.
So, is half a Rockwell hardness a problem? I mean, is that
No, that's nothing. We've seen that's like plus or minus 2 or 3.
Okay.
And
So this thing came off of a ship?
yeah, property of the U.S. Navy.
How old is it?
40s.
So this is like a World War II machine.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I don't know why this spark's going one way, not the other.
Because the wheel's spinning that way. Think about it, it's like a wheel kicking up dirt. It's only going to kick in one direction.
See, this stay still, it won't come off. You take a
Yeah.
rubber tip on it. You did a nice job on those.
About 1/8 of an inch I can play with and still engage the ratchet teeth entirely. So I'm comfortable with that. One thing I also plan to do is shave a little bit of the pedal right here so that when it meets the base casting I can actually get about another 3 teeth of range out of the top end of the pedal. Even though you can't see this set screw right here, I'm eyeballing the outside of the teeth. Make sure it lines up nicely. out here, this needs to go up there. If you look back in episode number whatever, I'll put a link up here. It shows, or it might make more sense why I added the set screw that I'm adjusting right now. Something else I'm trying to figure out today is how much of a bend I need to put in the foot lever. It's a little challenging with this broken one. I was going to measure how far over I want it to come. And I guess we'll see what we can do.